again, as we have seen in the cost based and demand based, etc. No? So in the same manner, we are going to come across a certain different methods which can be used here for pricing the product. So one of them is skimming pricing method. Skimming. Can you tell me what is the meaning of skimming? So when the product price is higher at the stage of introducing the product into the market, where that means newly when a product is going to be entering into the market. So what the company is going to do is they will sell it at higher prices, highest prices, not only higher, highest prices. And later, once that product is going to become popular in the market, they will slowly reduce the price of the product. So that is what the pricing will be done in case of skimming pricing strategies, by using the skimming pricing strategies. So as you have seen, whenever the cell phones, you can take example. So whenever uh, new changes takes place in the mobile or cell phones, any company, they are going to sell it at higher prices at the beginning. After some period, what they are going to do? They are going to reduce the price of the product, right? So this is what it is happening in the technology-based products. So this is possible in such cases. Not only these smartphones, you can also see whenever when the computers entered into the market. At the beginning, it was very high priced. Later, it was slowly. Now it is cheaper. For cheaper rates, you can purchase the computers, right? Even laptops. So all those technology-based products, companies are going to use this skimming pricing. So once the customers are aware of the product and they are going to come forward to purchase the product, they will slowly reduce the price of the product. So why this is most important here is whatever the cost that was spent, which we can say that it is a sunk cost. Sunk cost means once you have spent that you cannot recover. Spent means spent. So that amount, to recover that amount, what all the amount that they are going to spend. So to recover that in this manner, they are going to sell at higher prices. So once they have recovered all those costs, they slowly start reducing the price of the product and they will sell at lower prices. So first they are going to recover all the costs, all the expenditure they have spent in producing that particular product or bringing change in any smartphones, etc. Okay. So once costs are recovered, they are going to reduce the price. So this is how the skimming pricing is done. So that means the companies are not going to wait till long period. They want to recover all the costs within short period, because there is a more competitors in the market, no? So they have to first recover all the uh, expenditure that they have spent, and later whatever the price that the product is going to be sold, that will be benefit to the company. So in this manner, in a skimming pricing method, strategy is played by the companies. So you can take this example of iPhones. So iPhones, they are sold at higher prices now at the beginning, and then they used to say, reduce the price when a new model come into the market in the iPhone. The previous model will be available for cheaper prices, less prices. This we can say that it is a skimming marketing strategy, skimming pricing method. So another example, you can take this vegetable markets. In vegetable markets also, this is what it is going to be happening. So even the seller, retail seller, they are going to sell at the beginning when the market starts, they will be selling at higher prices. at the end of the market on that day. So they will slowly reduce the price, right? So which we can say that it is skimming pricing. And also you can take another example, Apple iPod. So for this also, they used to sell at higher prices at the beginning, and later it has been reduced. So like this, you can take so many examples which the companies are going to use this strategy of skimming pricing. So the main advantage of this is they need to recover all the expenditure in the beginning of selling the product, and later they will slowly reduce the price. Once the expenditure is recovered, uh, that will be advantage to the company, no? So that is the reason why they will be reducing the price of the product.